making these bunny snack bags, these reusable bunny snack bags. They're really easy to make, and you just tie the ears together to close them. So you just need 4 pieces of fabric, 6 by 11 inch, your basic sewing tools, matching threads, the free downloadable pattern you can find on our website. And I also used a darning foot and an edge joining foot and my heat erasable fabric markers. And if you want, you can treat the inside of the bag with beeswax or just use oilcloth to keep your snacks fresh and crispy. Let's go. Let's start by copying the pattern piece on your fabric with a fabric marker. You will have to copy it 4 times, 2 times for the inner fabric and 2 times for the outer fabric. And I used my heat erasable fabric marker, and to cut them out, I did it with my rotary cutter. And then I also used my heat erasable fabric marker to draw the bunny face on the front piece. And then I screwed on a darning foot to do some machine embroidery for the bunny face. And I put some paper underneath my fabric to give it more stability. I will tear it away afterwards. So you just go over the marks you made with your fabric marker. Oh yeah, and don't forget to lower your feet dogs so you have more freedom of movement with the darning foot. But as you can see, my hand is not that stable yet, but the result is good, and that's the most important. Just tear the paper away when finished, and then bring all the thread ends to the back with a hand needle and tie the little threads together at the back and cut away the thread ends. Now you can iron away the fabric marks. Put an outer fabric piece on an inner piece, right sides facing, and sew along the ear at 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Do this for both ears. Open each piece and put the right sides up and place the 2 sides of the outer piece and the 2 sides of the inner piece together. So we're lining up the same sides, right sides facing, and then you can clip them or pin them together. Sew around the edge at 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, leaving an opening in the bottom of the inner fabric to turn the bunny inside out. Clip the tip of the ears, the corners, and along the seam allowance in the curve. Now turn the bunny right side out through the little hole in the bottom seam and then close the hole with an edge stitch. I used my edge joining presser foot to get a tiny seam. And now turn this side in the outer fabric. And there we go. Your bunny is ready. Ready to be filled with all your favorite snacks. Have a nice day.